guys, it's Chantel from Wildberry Quilting, and today I have the Ginger Quilter box. I'm very excited for this one because this is the first time I've ever received this box, and I can't wait to see what's inside. I've seen some of her boxes before, unboxed on other channels, and it seems like she has lovely taste in fabric. So, woo! Everything just kind of went woof up to the top. So it's all nice and packaged with tissue paper. Oh my gosh! And there's this adorable little hedgehog sticker. It is so cute. That's adorable. It's got like fabric and pin cushion and thread. Oh boy. Okay, well, first off, we've got a rotary cutter. And that's a pretty nice feeling rotary cutter. It's got some weight to it. It looks like, this is really nice. It is for left or right-handed use. I was a little bit concerned when I first pulled it out of the box because it definitely looks like a right-handed rotary cutter, but it appears that you can take the blade off of this side and put it onto the opposite side, and then you'll have a left-handed rotary cutter. So that is fantastic. I'm very happy to see that. So many times rotary cutters, scissors, various things like that are only right-handed, and that really is difficult for those of us who are not right-handed. Okay, it looks like our pattern is for an apron. And this is a half apron. So it does not have the bib portion, it's just the lower portion, which, as you can see, I definitely use aprons. So I may have to make that. Oh, how adorable. So we got a treat, a little sweet treat. And it is this heart-shaped stroopies. I'm not sure how else you could possibly pronounce that, but stroopies. Authentic Dutch stroopwafels. It looks like you're supposed to eat it with a hot drink, so maybe some cocoa or hot chocolate, depending on where you're from. And I'm going to save the fabric till the end, but I see something else here. This is very pretty. It's got to be like a kitchen towel, but I don't see that. It's saying it. Sunny tea towel. Okay. This is actually very lovely. It's got these little tassels at the end, and I really like these designs. It's very sunny, which I guess is part of what it called it, sunny tea towel, so that makes sense. And it looks like it also transitions into this more off-white cream kind of color as well on the other side. So if you didn't like the yellow, you could hang it this direction, and that would be very pretty too. That actually has some good texture to it. It's not the cheap flimsy ones that you get from like Target or Walmart. It's a little bit heftier than that. All right, the fun stuff. I mean, it's all fun stuff, right? But the fabric, I really like this curation. I'll call it that. This is a very pretty combination of fabrics. Let's see. First, this looks like it's a half-yard cut. And it's like a dark navy blue with these very pretty flowers on it. I'm kind of modern. I consider those flowers modern. And then you've got this pretty orange. Now this is not a half yard cut. This is 13 and a half inches. So she must do generous cuts. That's nice. And it is kind of a orangey peach color. And it's got these little hash marks on it. Hash marks or thatch marks? Wonder which one I should be saying. Hash marks, I think of like hashtags, which really are ampersands, right? But that's what they're called now. I'm guessing this is another 13-inch. I'll measure it in a moment. And it's got these cute little butterflies, and there's actually a speckled background. I think the camera's picking that up. And that is 13 inches. And this one's really pretty too. I love this mustardy color. And it's got these beautiful little vines running across it diagonally. And that one is also, nope, that one's 12 and a half inches. So I think they're supposed to be, maybe it requires something like, well, let's see. We'll just look at the card, right? Because I'm imagining that's what we're going based off of, is what's required for the pattern. Looks like it needed 3/8 of a yard, another 3/8 of a yard, and so 3 cuts of 3/8 of a yard, and then half a yard. We know the first one was half a yard, and yeah, 3/8 of a yard would be what, 30 or 12 inches? Yeah, 12 inches would be, well, of course, because there's 3 feet in a yard. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I had to think about that. 12 inches would be 1/3 of a yard. And these are all slightly more than 12 inches, which is fantastic because sometimes you have to square something up, and it's nice to have just that little bit of leeway there. All right, let's see what was in here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Amanda Jane Apron by Villa Rosa Patterns. So that was our pattern. And a new page by Fancy That Design House. Songbook. Oh, that must be the fabric line. You know what? I forgot to tell you what the fabric line was. Yep. Songbook, A New Page by Stephanie Slowinski, I think is how you pronounce her name. And let me just make sure that they're all the same. This is, okay, so this is also by Stephanie Slowinski, but it is Fancy That, A Song in Your Heart. And this one is cut off, so I'm not able to tell you on this one. And then the butterflies are also Fancy That. So these two are from Fancy That by Moda from Stephanie Slowinski. This one is also by Stephanie Slowinski, and it's called Songbook, A New Page. And this one This is a mystery, but it's by Moda, and I would guess it's more than likely by Stephanie Solinsky, since the other fabrics all are as well. We've also got our hedgehog sticker, rotary cutter, sunny tea towel, heart-shaped stroopwafel, and it says, looking forward, I had to shuffle a few things around, so the Simply Stars will be coming in August instead of July, like I said last month. This is my first month, so I didn't know about that. We'll be mastering a traditional quilting block, but making sure it really sparkles. I can't wait to share it with you. Oh yes, I can't wait for you to share it with us too. Well, this was fun. What do you think of this box? It is a little bit more expensive than some of the others. I believe it was like $65 for the month-to-month subscription. It's a little bit less than that if you pay in advance for 3 months, or I think it was 6 months. I could be wrong, but it's all on her website, and I will link that down below. So let me know what you think, and if you'd like to see me unbox this particular subscription again. It was great seeing you guys again, and I hope you'll come back again for the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.